Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now you could also use a paper clip, train out one of the ends and it should work just as well. In case, once you have either one of those, if you have a case, you will need to take it off. And once you do so, you'll find the tray at the top of the device, or basically where the cameras are. So, get the tool, put it in there, push it, and you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and yank it out. On the tray, you will have space for SD card and SIM card, though you do need to flip the tray upside down. So let's place both of our cards on the tray. There we go. Now because we do have our tray upside down, let's flip the tablet upside down as well. Insert the cards into your device and they should start working right away, as you can see. So the SIM card is working as it asked me for the pin for it. And let's see if we have any notification about the SD card. And we do. Samsung SD card. Tap to set up. So it's detecting both of them. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.